My overall experience in boot camp was priceless. I realized that studying alone isn't the best way to study efficiently. I think it's best when you have a group of people and they have different perspectives on either their work experience or experience on studying certain ways to reinforce the information that was provided from the Young Architect syllabus. The most valuable thing that I've learned in the boot camp is taking the moments, passing the exams along the journey, and also taking that material from studying with teammates and integrating it into real life. When I took my last exam, I was ecstatic. I jumped off from my seat and I said, I got a likely pass. This is awesome. Proctor clapped and she said, congratulations. I've never felt that good before. I would recommend boot camp if they want to enjoy the journey of networking and being a better architect in general. I think just passing the exams or just studying for them won't be as enough if you actually network, share ideas with each other, because at that point, you're just being a better architect. You're not just being a better test taker.